So Will, why you're interested in mental health?
So it's really grew over the last few years, but the main reason is because I've got personal experience. Having lost both my grandfathers to suicide when I was young, I felt kind of the last few years speaking about that more of a responsibility, I think, to show some vulnerability as a sportsman, sportsperson, and hopefully that makes people that little bit braver to do it themselves.
So what you're saying is really important, that actually men are not talking about their mental health at a point before they get anywhere close to suicide.
You know, it's easier to stay at home and stay silent. This is a hard thing to do,
Yep.
hard thing to speak about, so I hope I can show strength in doing that. If it stops one family being through what we've been through, then it's worthwhile.
If you could kind of design a club yourself, what would that club have in place?
So for me, it's about having all the support systems in place, but it's also about culture, the culture of the club.
And what about to the manager and all the team around them? What should they be doing?
He's the top leader, the person that everybody looks to, and we're heading in the right direction. I feel really positive that we are as a football club, and it's about now getting it into as many clubs as possible.
Can you think of some examples of really good practice where you've seen that's good not just for mental health, but it's good for performance, it's good for the team?
I had 2 or 3 players come up to me and tell me about their own struggles that had happened. And that to me tells me that these chats are worth it. And I think the more that we open up, the more that it helps yourself as well.
Yep.
I'm a big believer in that.
At Oxford over the last 50 years, we've developed all of these therapies that we know work. And that's one of the main things we're trying to do at the moment, is to try and get these things rolled out so they're available not just in the health service, but also in private practice and on the web.
Because that's why I find it frustrating sometimes, because it is there. It's just sometimes you have to look a bit harder. And I think you'll know better than me, but people who are in crisis, they find it almost impossible to look out for help.
Yeah,
it's
particularly men.
I need to deal with this situation, get out of it, and that's where they end up taking their own lives. So we need to put it in front of them as early as possible, because these fans are in the demographic.
So imagine you are the age of your grandfather when he took his own life, and you're sitting in a stand just like this, watching a game of football. What's the one thing that would make you really happy about the way football's changed?
Players showing their true selves as human beings, to show fans that that's 11 men or women who are just like you. And we have the same stress at home, we have the same worries and anxieties, and have fans see the players as humans, because that's what we are.
Beautifully said.